Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina and today I'm going to be painting in my new art easel that my grandparents gave me for my birthday. This is my new art easel and I really like it, so right now I'm going to paint a picture. I don't know what, but I think I'm going to start with purple. I have orange, green, yellow, blue, red, white, and purple. Well, I decided to do the outside, and I'm gonna try to do some bushes instead of trees because since I don't have the color brown on my palette, I need to do some bushes. I just made the sun and the clouds and the sky. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna make the grass and the hills. Make some flowers. This is my painting. I'm all done. I made the sky, the clouds, the sun, and the bushes like I promised you, and the grass and some flowers. That's the end of my video. I hope you like, and if you like, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe too. Bye!